Hey everyone! So in today's video we are visiting at Celeste at Brigade Xanadu, located in Mogappair, Chennai. So it's a residential project and there you can see the first main entry of the project. And now we are taking you into a 2 BHK model flat. So friends, in front you can see a very well furnished living and dining room. And here's an attached balcony. Next we have the common washroom. And this is the first bedroom of this flat, which is finely crafted with beautiful interior. And now we are here in the second bedroom, which comes with an attached washroom. So this room is designed with laminated wooden flooring. And here's the study desk. And now we are heading towards the modular kitchen. So here it is. The kitchen has L-shaped platform and a separate utility area, which is right here in this corner. So guys, here we have showed you a 2 BHK model flat. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. So if you want to buy this property, please contact at the given number. Thank you.